calculator on digital SAT. Take a moment to read the question. I'm sure you have seen an expression in this question, and it is asking us to find out which option is equivalent to this. Let's plot this expression in the graph and see what are the values of x. Now, after plotting this expression, and I'm sure you have identified there are 2 points where the graph is intersecting on x-axis. First point is 5, 0 and second point is minus 8, 0, which means x is 5 and x is minus 8. Now let's see how these values will help us to identify what is the answer. We know x is 5 and x is minus 8. Now, if I subtract x on both the sides, so this becomes x minus is equal to 0. And if I add 8 on both the sides, which is x plus 8 equal to 0, which means that these two are the factors of the expression. Let's see which option has these two factors. Option B has these two factors, which means answer is option B.